Investing in the NASDAQ involves purchasing shares of companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. Here's a guide on how to invest in the NASDAQ. Educate yourself. Understand how stock markets work, the NASDAQ's role, and the companies listed on it. Research market trends and individual companies to make informed decisions. Choose a brokerage. Open a brokerage account with a platform that offers access to NASDAQ listed stocks. Examples include E-Trade, Fidelity, and TD Ameritrade. Fund your account. Deposit the amount you're comfortable investing into your brokerage account. Research and selection. Research companies listed on the NASDAQ that align with your investment goals. Use metrics like financial performance, growth potential, and industry trends to make decisions. Buy stocks. Using your brokerage account, search for the stock symbols of the companies you want to invest in. Place orders to buy shares at the current market price. Diversification. Consider building a diversified portfolio with stocks from different industries to reduce risk. Long-term perspective. Many investors hold NASDAQ stocks for the long term, aiming for capital appreciation as companies grow over time. Monitor and adjust. Keep track of your investments, staying informed about market and company developments. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on changing circumstances. Selling shares. When you believe a stock has reached a satisfactory value, you can sell your shares. Ideally, you will sell at a higher price than you bought, making a profit. Risk management. Be aware of the risks involved in investing in stocks, including market volatility and potential losses.